Hello traders, Khalid with you. This is the Daily Pitch International Breaking News section, and today we will be discussing the PMI figures for the UK. Moving on to the economic calendar, tomorrow, May 22nd, we have the PMI figures, manufacturing and services for the UK. The manufacturing is expected to increase from 45.4 to 46.2, and the services from 49 to 50. Regarding the manufacturing PMI, it is still under the 50 grade point, and the 50 grade point for the PMI is the level between the contraction and expansion of the economy. Keeping in mind one very important number we had today is the CPI numbers for the UK, which were much higher than the previous and also higher than the forecast. Digging a little deeper in the report details, we can see that the most important, that had more weight, is the services and the utility bills for the housing. This affected the report and caused inflation to increase. Let's move on to the charts and see tomorrow's PMI figures and how it could affect the GBP USD. Zooming in a little bit, as you can see, this increase on GBP USD was mainly due to the CPI numbers giving a little strength for the pound. Right now, price is moving lower. So let's take the first scenario, that if tomorrow we will have PMI figures better than expected. See it here more clear. For the manufacturing, if for some reason we got really good numbers and close to the 50, and the services 50 or above, this will give a good indication for the pound, and we could see price doing something like this, that even if we dig lower, we could be moving up, and the first area is these candle highs at 1.345. With additional momentum and economic numbers supporting GBP strength, we could be breaking higher as well, and the next target could be the 1.36. We zoom out a little bit to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, this could be our next target. On the other hand, if the numbers were worse than expected, we could see price just breaking lower. And my first area I will be targeting is these candle lows, 1.324. With additional sell momentum, we could be testing the 1.32. If we still have more sell pressure and we are able to break below the 132, I believe we could be testing at least these candle lows, which is 1.315 approximate. Reaching this level, watch out for price action if we have something similar, any double bottom, any technical formation indicating reversal. Price could be just moving again, and I will target these candles here. The last scenario and the least favorable is to have numbers as forecast. This will not hold too much weight. It will give a little bit of volatility, but we will not have one direction, and we could be just consolidating. So that's it for the video. Hopefully you liked it. If you like our content, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. In addition to that, you will find in the comment section our Telegram channel mentioned. Join it to have more analysis and stay updated with all the economic news. Thank you so much.